Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the vacancies of the Office of Assistant which has been notified by the Punjab Agriculture University. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Punjab Agriculture University has notified for the vacancy of Office Assistant, which falls under the Director Extension Education PAU, that is Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, wherein application are invited for engagement of office assistant, for which per month monthly salary would be 11,486 in the scheme of facilitating effective functioning at PAU Miscellaneous 8 PC 4715. The essential requirements are bachelor degree from a recognized university, possess at least 120 hours course with hand-on experience in the use of personal computer or information technology in the office productivity applications or desktop publishing application from a government recognized institution or a reputed institution which is ISO 9001 certified, or possess a computer information technology course equivalent to O-level certificate of Department of Electronic Accreditation of Computer Courses DOEC of Government of India. The third requirement is metric level certificate of Punjabi language from Punjab School Education Board or any other recognized board as first and second language. The age limit is 18 to 37 years. There will be a written marks comprises of 80 marks will be conducted on a OMR sheet. The written test will comprise of multiple choice type questions of Punjabi, English, arithmetic of metric standard and general knowledge, each consisting of 20 marks. The candidate, on the basis of the merit in the written test, which will be 10 times of the post to be filled, shall be called for the test of computer basics of 20 marks. The candidate must obtain 50% marks in the test of computer basic. So in total, there will be first a test would be of 80 marks comprised of Punjabi, English, arithmetic and GK, 20 marks each. And after that 20 marks there will be a computer basic test wherein candidate has to at least score 10 marks out of 20 marks in order to be considered for the appointment. How many people will be selected for the computer test depend upon the basic number of vacancies. The number of vacancies is not given as in this, whereas whatever the number of vacancies, 10 times to that. Suppose if the number of vacancies are 5, so that means 50 people will be shortlisted for computer course test, and after that qualifying those that test, they will be considered for the final selection. The written test of multiple choice type question will be conducted on OMR sheet. There will be 160 multiple choice questions, 4 subject sections, Punjabi, English, arithmetic and general knowledge, each consisting 40 questions. Time allowed for test will be 2.5 hours. That means each test would be comprised of 40 questions of 20 marks. That means each question would be of 0.5 marks only. There will be a negative marking for the written test. For each correct answer, the candidate will be awarded 1 mark and 1/4 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. Means there will be a negative marking for the written test, and for each correct answer there will be initially the test would be of 160 marks, and after that it will be reduced to 80 marks. That means whatever the marks you will be scoring, it will be divided by 2 and it will be taken as an the score received would be taken as an out of the 80 marks. So, and the negative marking would be for every 4 wrong questions there will be 1 marks will going to be deducted. The desired candidate should send their application on plain paper containing name, address, age, education qualification, experience, etc., along with a demand draft of ₹200 in favor of Comptroller PAU Ludhiana and self-attested copies of certificate and latest photograph to this office up to 25th of June 2021. On any working day, no separate intimation will be sent and no TADA will be paid for attending the same. Hence, whosoever is interested, you have to make a demand draft in favor of Comptroller PAU Ludhiana, and along with the self-attested copies and certificates and latest photograph, and with an application you have to send it to the Punjab Agriculture University office by 25th of June 2021. So now the next question is where the application and all those annexures need to be sent. So the address is Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana 141004, Punjab, India, and the telephone number is given 0161 2401960 or till 79 and extension is 213. Fax number is also given 0161 2400945 and the email ID given is registrar@pau.edu. So these are the information regarding the office assistant post which has been notified by Punjab Agriculture University. Whosoever is interested in and is eligible, kindly apply the same. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel and have a nice day.